kyk eens na. Ons maak dit by hierdie ding lyk asof hy iets gaan gooi in ons karren vas.
Liefling, relax. Jy voel nog nie as die wind jou buffet nie. Dit is ver genoeg dat sy wind ons nie eens affekteer nie.
Ek is so overwhelmed.
Ek kan so is ja. Maar nee, kyk nog weer. Ja, sy nou oor die pad.
Oh, kan die batterie wat hy het.
Ek sien dit gooi baie.
Oh shit.
Dit gaan deur 'n ou se skuur.
Oh my soul. Kyk hy wind.
Ja,
Het jy daai sparks gesien daar?
terugdrade.
Dis weg.
Ek het dit gesien.
Okay. Ek dink hy is nog net by dit.
Ek is besig om te ry.
Okay. Ek dink ek vir die beeld se wat se naam gee vir jou. Ja, okay.
Recording sien.
Maar hy het heel dit.
Wat gaan jy?
Is that thing starting to make a point?
It's making a point. I'm telling you, it's a tornado. It's turning. It's like...
What?
It's turning, I'm telling you. It's a tornado, Ross. Watch that thing. It's a damn tornado. Ross, it's a tornado. It's a tornado. Look at that, look at that, look. Check. Look at that thing. Ross, you just saw a tornado.
Next to it.
I see that.
Brian, this is getting scary. Because they're coming this way.
They must come this way. I want to see this. Ow, that would hit me on the hand. Oh, freaking hell.
Brian, that's kind of scary.
Check on the ground. You see how the air is moving on the ground?
Oh my goodness.
Look at that, Check that air, check the wind. Look at that.
That's a real tornado. It's going to touch down soon.
How cool is that? Oh, that damn piece of hail hit me right on the finger. It's coming this way.
It's moving here with a Musa spook.
That's so awesome.
Ron, we're about to get stuck in a tornado.
That would be cool.
How will that be cool?
Because it's a tiny tornado.
Right, it can go from tiny to flippin' massive in no time.
Please get bigger. I think it's stopping there. You check that the sun's coming through that hole there?
Yeah.
That's so cool.
Brian, it's getting bigger. It's about to touch down.
I need to get to the other side of the road. I can't film that much with this.
Right, you see how close it is? That's cool. Right, it's touched down.
That is so
The other one's
epic.
starting.
The other one's not starting.
Brian, we just saw a real tornado.
I know.
Do you know how lucky we are?
Isn't that cool? Check it running.
Like a ripper tree off the ground. That wasn't what that be.
It's way too weak for that.
Second tornado in one day.
Huh?
So that's the second tornado in one day.
I think the other one was yesterday. Look at that. Look at that. Why can't it just get stronger quickly, man? Some epic videos. It's getting closer.
It's getting stronger.
No, it's starting to weaken out, but look at that. Oh, that is so pretty.
Definitely getting stronger. Check the pressure system just picked up.
Started a new recording now. That is so epic. Ross. Ross, that's a proper tornado in Gauteng.
In Gauteng.
In Gauteng.
Shit.
That is so cool.
Did it get wider again?
Got wider. But it's definitely weakening out. They don't last that long usually. Check it on the ground there. We are like straight in its path. That is so cool. Just needs to get you faster.
Oh, should we drive to it?
Another road. Drive away from it though. Check that. Check that. That is so cool. It's getting stronger now.
Holy shit, Brian, what?
I told you.
Holy crap, I looked over for 2 seconds. Brian, now it's getting a bit hectic.
That is so cool.
It just got hectic. In like, literally me type down 2 words, look up again, and it looks like that.
Ross, that is so epically cool.
Brian, this thing is not going to get slower.
Okay, that's the biggest one I've seen of. I must admit.
Brian,
The water spouts weren't that big.
Brian, we're at the path of a tornado.
We are. It is seriously coming straight towards us. Oh, that's so pretty. Goodness me.
Brian, it's getting even stronger.
Look at that.
Brian!
But it's so pretty.
Brian, I need to get out.
Ross, this is like amazing.
Brian, we're in the path of a flippin' tornado.
We are. It's going sideways now, it's going that way. Also, if this thing goes over the tar road, people will have accidents. Look at that. Sweet mother of mercy.
Brian, this thing is getting a bit scary now, because, you know, the clouds are coming this way.
That's fine.
What do you mean that's fine?
It comes straight over us. It's a tornado. It's not like a category 5 tornado. It's like barely a tornado. Look at that, Ross. Did you ever think you'd see this in Joburg?
No, I didn't think I'd ever see a tornado in my life.
Look at
Brian, look at that suction in the middle.
that. I know.
Brian, this thing's getting big.
How cool is that?
Look at that dust.
This thing is literally going to come like right past you. As in like right past you.
Why aren't people stopping them? I don't know. Everyone's probably like,
Someone's behind us stopped.
there's a fucking tornado!
Yo. It's getting closer. Can you feel the wind starting to pick up? That's so epic. It's gonna literally cross the road in front of us, yeah? Ross,
Yes.
I have a video of a tornado.
Brian, I'm watching a tornado approach us.
And it is literally approaching us.
I am in the path of a tornado.
Scary thought. Ross, the wind's starting to pick up.
Right, it just got stronger.
Ross, I think we need to move a little bit.
Brian, look how big it's getting. Brian, look at that fucking suction. Look how fast it's moving.
Look at that suction. Look at this.
Holy shit.
Ross, this thing's passing like straight almost above us. It's gonna cross the road now.
Holy shit.
It's gonna cross the road.
Brian, look at it. Look how it curves.
Check this.
Brian, look at the clouds above us. Look how they're turning.
Yo. Yo.
Yo?
It's crossing the road.
Brian, look at that. Look how insane that thing is.
Did you feel the wind?
Holy shit.
It's crossing the road.
Brian, it's a tornado.
It's crossing the road.
I'm
And the
watching
wind
a
is
tornado.
pushing the crap out of the side of my car.
Holy shit.
Yes! Okay, I've got an idea that if I was in the middle of that, that would not go well. And there it goes. Flip it. Look at that, look at that, look at that. Ross, I need to get out. I need to film this. Yo.
Holy shit. We got a tornado. We got a tornado.
That's crazy though.
Check
How
that
fast
shit
is
out.
that thing moving?
That thing's a big freaking tornado, man. It's cool.
Kijk. Komt die tornado dat je ziet. Ja, is tornado. Kijk. Tornado. Check die tornado. Nee, alles is af, maar ek weet nie hy begin daal. Ja, ek moes gestaan dat ek op kan gaan opgetel. Maar ek weet nie wat slag was. Hoe raas hy dit? Maar kan ek sê ons het in Afrika 'n tornado gehad. Check wat kan hy dan? Ek sien. So ek weet nie waar hy maar hier so somewhere. Ons die krag af.
Yeah, come on, sing. Come on, sing. I can't go. Ke tornado ntwe.
Ebona sema ka rantwe la ke.
Ke maketse ka di light mo la hore ntwe ke tornado fe.
Hoe die video?
Yeah.
Kijk, gaan net zo binnen hem opnemen. Kijk, gaan net zo binnen hem op. Hoor je maar hier, dit is dan liggen je op.
Dit is Amerika.
Dit is karre, dat is karre wat net daar is. Ja, dat ik zie. Daar stop karre, zie je, waar het gestopt. Waar het staan langs die pad. Kijk, gaan net zo binnen hem opnemen. Kijk, gaan net zo binnen hem op. Hoor je maar hier, dit is dan liggen je op.
Dit is Amerika.
Dit is karre, dat is karre wat net daar is. Ja, dat ik zie. Daar stop karre, zie je, waar het gestopt. Waar het staan langs die pad.
Ek wil nog vir iets saamvat, iets opfok. So. Hierdie land fok ek goed sê reg hier. Ons kyk hier. Hæ? Dis dit. Ek seker laat draai hier bo.
It's going on.
Getting bigger, yeah, but it's getting bigger. You can see that that's getting bigger there.
What you see now? Okay. See, there's a pole, there's going down.
Wat?
It is going away now. Shit.
Check, but it's flipping up there. It's going around there.
It's moving though.
It's going, check there. There's
Oh no, it's going away.
No, it's going away.
It's gone.
Disappeared.
It went away.
Yeah, but it's going and...
Hey, what's up? But
The thing is coming on, but
But there was a huge electrical explosion down there.
shit's coming our way, bro. Fuck this shit.
Look up, you're safe.
There's a whole lot of shit like.
ja, ek sal nie sommer 'n brug.
Ons gaan nou in die oog wees,
hoor. Ek dink dat hierdie ding so draai.
Hoorie, ons gaan nou in die middel wees, kykie.
Hy trek oor. Ons gaan in die oog wees. Ons gaan fisies in die oog wees.
Ek dink dat hierdie ding so draai, hè. Tik 'n foeke vinnig draai.
As die ding op die pad kom, gaan Porridge voel, hoor.
Vinnig draai hierdie ding.
Moenie vinnig ry nie, laat hy
Ek wil uit die pad uitkom.
Laat hy
Goeie nou, ons het net teruggejaag vereniging se kant toe uit die haal uit.
Tornado krimwys.
Ek aan die onderkant toe draai dit.
Jy kan fisies sien hoe die goed draai. Ek tog Paul praat van hierdie klein stukkie wat die links uitgevorm het. Nou sien ek hierdie hele ding draai.
Hele ding draai. Kyk hierso waar die
wat dit reën aan die onderkant. Kyk hierdie hele stuk son of hele stuk lig daar ook en dan sien jy hierso net ewe skielik donker.
Righto.
Looks like it's just taken the roof off at the shed there by Steve's.
En hy kom vir ons.
Oh, hy kom hierdie kant toe, my man. Oh. my man. Julle liewe Jesus, asseblief. Asseblief, mis ons, asseblief.
Hoorie? Hoorie, julle moet ons ry. Ja, fok, waarheen ry jy nou? Jy het halfbal.
Okay, net stil, rustig, kom ons kyk net. Waar is Mila?
Ons ek in die kas ergens. Waar die bo? Is dit dan? Okay, nee, hy gaan weg. Waar gaan jy boom? Okay, nee, hy gaan weg, julle. O, jette, ek het wat in die bome staan.
Okay, kom ons kyk net.
Hoorie, maar kom 'n plastic nie op.
Maak asseblief die kamer deur toe.
Kamer?
Ja, vir as iets gebeur. Ek moet net hier bly.
Hoorie, wat ek altyd in jou ry, kyk waar kan toe af. Moet my lewe dinge gaan doen sien.
stay in there though. Look at that thing coming down.
Kyk hoe maak hy wolk soos 'n tornado.
Not sure if I'm driving the right way with this tractor, but that's what's in front of me. There's a little one to the side as well. Wonder if this is all part of the storm.
Maar kyk hoe draai hy, ja? Nee, hy is nog nie op die grond nie. Nee, maar kom hierdie kant toe. Dit lyk of hy nader kom.